Let's do our Valentine's, Max. Who's that one for?
Colin.
Very good. Who's that one for?
Chase.
Let me see. I didn't see. Can you show me?
Chase.
Very good. Who's that one for?
Dane.
Let me see. I can't see. Okay. Good job.
Mommy. Ethan.
Very good.
Mommy, you gave my sticker. I want the sticker. This is yours. Kaden.
Very good.
Mommy, don't. Finken.
Yep. Awesome.
And Lucas.
Yep.
And Sassen. And
William. Yep.
and Charles.
Charles.
Joey. Wire.
Yep, that was Briar.
Look at it.
I can't see what you have. Colton.
Colton. Madison.
Madison.
Chloe.
Chloe.
Addie. Oh, Alondra.
Alondra.
Isabel.
Isabel.
Who is this?
Johanna.
Johanna. Becca. Addie. And Zoe.